interested in learning how to speak Thai, but you're not sure when to start, I would like to convince you to start now and today because Thai language is very easy and simple to learn. สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Here is ครู Smoke or Teacher Smoke, a Thai teacher from BananaThai Language School. I would like to give you 5 fun facts about Thai language and show you how easy Thai language can be. The first fact. In Thai language, subject pronoun and object pronoun are the same and not conjugated. Unlike English. In English, I as a subject pronoun have to change to me as an object pronoun. But in Thai, the subject and object are the same. No need for conjugation. The second fact is that there is no conjugation of verbs as well. In English, I eat. He eats. See? The verb actually conjugates according to the subject. But in Thai, verbs stay the same. No change. Number 3, there is no conjugation for verb for different type of tenses with the past tense. In English, you say, I eat pizza for today. But if you ate a pizza yesterday, you would say, I ate pizza or I have eaten pizza. See, this is a conjugation of the verb. But in Thai, we don't have that conjugation, but we have words that fill in the sentence to make it different tenses. For example, ฉันกินพิซซ่า I eat pizza. ฉันกินพิซซ่ามา I ate pizza. See, the verb กิน stay the same, but I add the word ma at the end of the sentence to make it a past tense. So you just have to remember the word to add in the sentence. For different tenses, that is much easier, isn't it? Fact number 4. In Thai language, we don't have plural form. In English, a cow, 2 cows. A box, 2 boxes. A woman, 2 women. That is actually a plural form of nouns in English. But in Thai, all nouns stay the same. And now come to the last fact that I want to tell you. The fact is that to make a question in Thai, it's very easy peasy. In English, making question really give me big headache as well because of different conjugation and different modal verbs. Basically, construct a statement and put the word mai or right at the end of the sentence. And here are the 5 facts to prove you that Thai language is very, very easy to speak. So why don't you start learning today? I actually prepare a 5 easy day challenge for you that you can start learning from today. Only 10 minutes a day. My lesson will be sent to your mailbox daily for the next 5 days. So if you want to get started with Thai, do not wait. Start today. Sign up now for free and see you in the lesson. บ๊ายบายค่ะ สวัสดีนะคะ